What is the full process for a Luxembourg Family Reunion Visa from Nigeria? Are you in Nigeria and your spouse or family member is already living legally in Luxembourg and you're wondering how to join them? You're not alone. Many Nigerians want to reunite with their loved ones, but the process can seem overwhelming without proper guidance. I am Betty, one of the immigration consultants with Law and Visas. In this video, I'll walk you through the full and up-to-date process for applying for a Luxembourg Family Reunion Visa from Nigeria, who qualifies, what documents you need, how long it takes, and how to avoid common mistakes. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss important updates on immigration and visa processes. Let's get into it. Family reunification in Luxembourg is available to certain categories of family members. This includes spouses or registered partners, children under 18. In some special cases, parents of a minor or dependent sponsor. Now, for you to apply successfully, your family member in Luxembourg must already hold a valid residence permit. This could be a permit for work, studies, research, or international protection like refugee status. Here's how the process works. Step 1. The sponsor in Luxembourg submits an application for authorization to stay. This application must be submitted before you travel. Your family member in Luxembourg applies at the Immigration Directorate, including documents such as proof of stable income, suitable accommodation, valid residence permit, health insurance, and evidence of the family relationship. Step 2. Wait for approval. Once the application is submitted, processing can take several weeks or even months. If it is approved, an official letter will be issued. This letter must be included in your visa application. Step 3. Apply for the visa in Nigeria. With the approval letter, you apply for a long stay type D visa. Luxembourg does not have a direct embassy in Nigeria, so this is typically handled by the Belgian embassy in Abuja. You will be required to submit a valid international passport, birth or marriage certificates, proof of relationship with the sponsor, the approval letter, medical certificate, police clearance certificate, passport photographs, proof of visa application fee payment. As of now, the visa fee is approximately €80, but this may change, so always check the latest updates on the official website or consult us directly at Law and Visas. Step 4. Travel to Luxembourg and apply for residence permit. Once your visa is approved, you can travel to Luxembourg. On arrival, you must declare your presence at the local municipality and apply for your residence permit within 3 months. Timelines and considerations. Family reunion applications can take 2 to 6 months depending on the case. Delays often come from incomplete documents or missing translations. Always ensure your documents are legalized and translated into French or German as required. Let's recap. Your sponsor applies for an authorization to stay. You wait for the approval. You apply for the long stay visa through the Belgian embassy. You travel and apply for your residence card in Luxembourg. If you're unsure how to go about any of these steps, that's what we're here for. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerians process Luxembourg visas correctly and quickly. Click the link in the description to book a consultation with our legal team today. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our next immigration breakdown. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.